full stop. No, I said full stop, so you have to wait. Let me play another one. Oh.
You see, you don't even have the game.
You know, I'm already winning in this game, right?
I never told you you're winning.
Story,
keep playing.
I'll show you that I'm the boss in this game.
Be bragging. Stop making mouths. I'll show you I'm bigger than you in this game. And you need please older than me.
Stop dreaming, little sis. Games have nothing to do with age.
Are we still on this matter?
Yes, Grandma.
Please fetch.
Stop.
Call your mother for me.
She drove out.
When?
Here you go.
Thank you.
Sorry, I already opened it before.
It's okay.
So we can just share from it. I'll give you some.
It's okay.
Alright, this is for me.
Super harsh.
Yeah, some good stuff.
Yes, for powerful men like yourself.
Yeah, good stuff.
On you, you look super powerful and handsome.
Well, thank you, Nancy.
Well, tell me, how are you coping without Lucy? How is she?
Well, I've not heard from her since she left.
That's really sad. I mean,
One of those things.
yeah, I know, but I have a question that's been, you know, troubling me. Oh, the weather is super hot. And, you know, it goes round and round in my mind as to, I mean, it's hot, don't you think? It's pretty hot. So I'm just wondering how someone could have someone so...
Nancy, stop it. Stop it. I mean,
why?
what's the meaning of this? Wait, you mean you came all the way to this place to seduce me and have me go to bed with you?
Well, you wouldn't blame me. The only reason I came is that I have heard that you do supernatural things to this other girl. So I want you to do me really well to my satisfaction and more over and over again, you know.
Well, Nancy, sorry to disappoint you. I, Thompson, cannot do such a thing to my friend, knowing fully well that he will not do the same to me. Oh, they told you that Thompson is a dog, and you came straight away to have me.
Well,
is that it?
A good dog at that. Listen, this is Nancy here, and there is no way Michael is going to find out if you don't tell him. Oh. And I trust gentlemen don't tell, do they?
The same way he's not going to find out what you've been doing with Titus, the Gateman. Right? Talk!
Are you okay? What's the meaning of this? Do you have evidence to back up your claim?
Look, let me tell you, for your information, I also know that those kids do not belong to Michael.
Hold it right there.
But Titus, the Gateman.
Hold it right there.
Don't act like you don't know what I'm saying.
What are you even saying? Because you're saying gibberish. You're talking gibberish. You're talking in a nonsense. Like, are you trying to accuse me or tell me that Titus is the father of my children?
You better stop stuttering and stammering. I know fully well. Look.
You know what? This is going long enough.
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to leave.
You're trying to leave this
place?
place?
Yes, I am leaving
this place. You are not
place.
leaving this place.
I am.
Look, no, I have everything on voice record.
What? What are you even talking about?
Look.
Stop, boss! You have to stop that.
I am not stopping anything. Look, I have your record and I have evidence. Stop! Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going?
You did.
Look, as you can see, I have evidences and I also have a voice record of our conversation today. You cannot deny it that you came to seduce me in this house today. Now leave my house. Nancy, I said leave my house now before I do something stupid. I said leave my house. What are you trying to do? You want to fight me in my house? Now can you peacefully leave my house before I do something stupid?
Okay.
Leave!
I'll leave.
I said leave! Don't touch me!
I don't know what came on. Alright? You go. Who is laughing with you? So you want your grandma to pick too? So what do you? By the way, your mom is not back yet, right?
Yes. You know she went to visit Auntie Femia. Auntie Femia is in town.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, I see. It's just that it's taking so long.
Grandma is right. She's gone for hours. She would have been home by now. I'm hungry.
Let's hear word.
Nah, you and food. You just love food.
Mama, don't mind him. You don't know this boy. Him and Titans, no different.
Him and Titus. Why do you say that?
The Gateman loves to eat a lot of food. The way mom gives him food, do you think him and mom are siblings?
Why? Nah, you're a foodie, you know.
This is my daddy's house. I eat when I want to.
Oh.
That is what you are, nothing but a foodie.
Well, you know, you remind me so much of Titus. Aside, you know, the eating, there's so much resemblance between both of you. You love to eat, your complexion goes with his own. Some of your mannerisms, you know. There's something about you that reminds me of Titus. And yet, you people are not related by blood.
Yes, we are not related by blood. You go closer to him every time.
You people should stop complaining. Because I'm not even eating as I'm supposed to be eating in this house.
So I don't know about you people.
Sorry, Mom.
No, I thought you would have not apologized.
Just as rude as Titus.
But you are so thin. Why can't you eat?
Did I tell you I want to eat like you and get fat?
Yes.
Enough. You don't quarrel when grandma is there. Are we playing this game or not?
We're playing.
Go to market. Pick 2.
I've already picked 2.
Oh yeah, play.
I need again.
You need what?
I need circle.
Simon, stop disturbing your fellow human.
If you don't have circle, go to the market.
Now where? Mom is back!
Well, that's the end of the game. Be careful.
Mom, what is it? Mom!
Nothing.
Nancy. Are you okay?
What is it?
I'm fine.
Nancy, do you want to talk about it?
What is the problem? You can tell us.
No, I don't want to talk about it. And please, everyone should just leave me alone. Let me be. Nobody should bother me.
Mom!
What is wrong?
Something is definitely wrong with Mom.
But she refused to spill it.
Well,
So how do we get to know what is actually wrong with her when she refused to tell us?
it's okay, children. Let your mother be. She's battling with some traumatic challenges. I bet you she'll get out of it sooner than you think.
I hope so.
Well, do we go outside and continue with the game?
I'm tired. I want to eat.
Foodie.
You're such a rude little boy. You sigh when your grandmother says something. Are you stupid?
Are you an enemy of food? Why do you hate food?
Why do you love food?
I love food because food is sweet. And she hates food. I don't know why.
Grandma, please excuse me.
Sandra, come back here.
Will you go back there? Mr. Foodie. Let me see your backside. Pull up your shirt. Ifelia. Just right.
Grandma, it's not my fault.
My marriage is about to crumble before me. What have I gotten myself into? Oh my God. I have succeeded in destroying what is left of the sham I call marriage. What becomes of me if this gets out? Michael will have my head if Thompson should open his wide mouth. My husband, I know, will throw me out with a snap of his finger. No. I cannot afford to walk out of an 11-year-old marriage just like that. I practically brought this upon myself. Why did I even go to Thompson in the first place? What was I thinking? I'm finished.
Woman on fire, with a burning desire. Woman on fire, a burning desire. Le. Anybody she sees with 3 legs, so she want to chop. She know they look your face or class. She wants the rodo. Oh Ghana, 1 minute man. She no fit manage you. Her body's always on fire. She needs attention down the air. Woman on fire, hey, her waist is always on fire. With a burning desire, she cannot stay for a day without service. Oh, woman on fire, she don't fit control it. Burning desire, oh, she just the chuku. She just the waka. One day for the thief, another day for the owner. Oh. She know they send the your love. She know they send the advice.
Huh. What is it? What? Yesterday was the worst day of my life.
What happened?
Thompson threw me out of his house.
Thompson. How?
After you left, I went to his house to seduce him. You know, I wanted him pants down.
Wait, Nancy.
You did what? What has come over you? Is this what marriage has turned you into? A cheap whore?
"11 years. 11 years of my marriage is about to just crumble right before me. Everything is about to be ruined. I didn't know. I didn't know. I didn't know he was recording our conversation. I didn't know that he had taken pictures of me barely cladded. I didn't know. I didn't.
Let me understand something.
You took your bath, you dressed up, and drove to Thompson's house just to seduce him. I can't wrap my head around the woman you've become.
Neither can I. Because if Michael finds out, I'm done for.
You should have thought about that.
You went to your husband's best friend's house to seduce him just to get a feel of that thing in between his legs.
Well, in my defense, the guy is practically very good in bed. I mean, come on. You know what?
God have
And
mercy.
my mother-in-law being here, she's not even helping matters. She's blocking everything. I had to do something. And don't bring in God. Don't judge me, please.
I'm not judging you.
Nancy, I'm not judging you. I don't want to say I warned you, but yes, I warned you. I remember telling you, do not marry a man that is not appealing to you. But what did you tell me? I want to marry a rich man. Just look at what is happening now.
Well, it's water under the bridge. It's been 11 years of marriage. What do you want me to do? I just need you to help me, please.
Help you.
Uncle Thompson!
Sandra, Samuel, how are you?
We're fine.
And where's Grandma?
She's inside.
Okay, let's go inside.
Thompson. Hi, Lucy.
She's fine.
Nice. Kids, go inside while I have a short discussion with your uncle.
Okay.
I can see you're here to make good on your trend. What was that about?
And what are you talking about?
About you coming to look for my mother-in-law.
Is it about what you've been doing in this house with Titus?
Do you have proof? Do you actually realize that I could sue you for defamation of character?
Are you actually raising your voice at me? Are you? Now, read my lips. I, Thompson, will expose you. Just wait till Michael comes back from China from his business trip. Then you understand what I can do. You adulterous and cheating woman. How dare you?
Mind what you say to me. Listen, Thompson. I understand I messed up by coming to you in the first place, but I would not have you come to my house to spew trash about me to my husband or to his mother.
Are you actually raising your voice at me?
You know what? I've had enough of this. Leave. Get out. Get into that rickety car of yours and get out of this place. Get out.
As a matter of fact, you are the one who will be leaving this house soon. And I will be here on that day to laugh at you.
Yes, let's wait till that day. Now, leave!
I will leave. I'll definitely leave, but I will make sure I expose you. And remember, I do have evidences. We shall see.
You know better than to threaten me, Thompson, because I will match you toe for toe. Don't you dare me.
How do I fix this? How do I fix what is broken? If I understand what Thompson is up to, it's a calculated move to get me out of my marriage. But I caused all of this. If I had not gone to him, he wouldn't pose as a threat to my marriage the way he is right now. What do I do? What? What do I do? Michael, no. Michael shouldn't get a wind of this. Else, I'll be doomed for life. How do I fix this? How do I fix that which is broken? If I understand Thompson correctly, this is a calculated move to get me out of my marriage. No. What do I do? What do I do? Okay. What? Michael shouldn't find out about this. No. If he does, I'm doomed for life. It won't happen. It won't happen.
Yeah, baby. What's up?
I'm good. I did microwave some chicken wings.
Oh,
Should
okay.
they get it for you?
Yeah, let's get.
Okay, let Titus help. Titus!
Yes, baby. Hey.
What was that? What's the meaning of that?
My friend, will you come? Titus, what was your response when she just called
I say, madam.
you? Are you trying to say I didn't hear you clearly? What did you just say?
Hey. A slip of tongue, a slip of tongue.
Nancy, do you have any explanation to this mess?
What am I supposed to say? I'm as shocked as you are. I don't know what's going on.
Titus,
Okay.
who is your baby? Will you answer me if I strangle you? I am going to drown you in this pool. Who is your baby? I don't understand. Will you answer me properly?
Organa mistake.
What kind of mistake? What kind of mistake?
Organa mistake.
What kind of mistake? What did you just call my wife?
Organa mistake. This is my mistake. Hey!
And you don't see. They don't even like here.
What are
Are you sleeping with my Gateman? What is going on?
What is this? What is this?
What is what?
Titus, can you say it? Can you say it? Because of you, my husband is beginning to accuse me.
Can you say it?
Are you stupid?
Can you say it?
It's a mistake, madam.
What kind of dirty and useless silly mistake is that?
Slip of tongue.
What kind of dirty slip of tongue? I will cut off your tongue!
Slip of tongue in my own house. Slip of tongue before your madam. Your madam, baby. Does she look like your girlfriend or your wife? Does she look like your girlfriend or your wife?
What kind of nonsense is this?
Madam, mistake, okay?
Baby,
I know, man.
we met them. And Nancy, you're trying to tell me nothing is going on between you.
What kind of talk is that one now? You better start talking. What is this?
I don't.
Baby, get it. Baby, get it. Listen.
You don't want to commit murder. You
Now
don't
listen
want
to
to
me.
have conscience.
Listen to me. Pack everything that belongs to you
Just get
out
out.
of my house.
Leave.
Before I will strangle you.
They follow me reach here too.
No, they follow you reach here.
Get out. Get out. What is wrong with I said get out. Leave. Leave.
You too. Madam, you say my get out.
Leave.
My get out.
I said,
me.
Didn't you hear my husband? Get your stuff and get out. Leave.
No, Wala. I'll get out. Ma go pick my things. No problem.
Are you stupid? Is that the get? Titus!
I don't understand. My wife is talking to you and you're talking back at my wife. Are you mad? Look at this stupid boy. Look at this stupid boy. You're talking back at my wife. Okay, no problem. Get in, man. I'm talking about baby. Baby, how? In my own house. Come. Yeah? What do
Michael must know these bombshells, really. He must know the kind of woman he married and kept in his house and has been trusting all these years. I mean, I've been waiting for him to come back from this travel so I can actually tell him everything this woman has been doing under his nose. What kind of woman is this? Like, who does that? What kind of woman is this? I mean, how can Michael be so blinded not to see that these kids don't even look like him? They don't even look like him. Huh? But they look like Titus the Gateman and he's so blinded to see. I have to go and tell him everything. I can't stay back and watch another woman fool my friend like nothing is going on. Huh? Thank God he's back. Let me go and explain everything to him.
What is that boy still doing in there? Hey, Titus! If I come in there to meet you, it is going to be horrible. Will you just come out from that house? Nonsense. What the hell is wrong with you? What are you doing with my kids? Are you okay?
Now you say I go inside, carry everything will be my own. Then follow. I don't carry them. Come here. Come here.
Nancy. So all I have been hearing about you and Titus is true, right?
I can explain.
You can explain what?
Okay. You supposed to thank me for this house. You supposed to thank me. Say na me they do the work where you know free do. Me will be Titus. Na me born these children. Na me born them. Me na no worry. Me na me the service madam. For your bed though, on top your bed though, for inside parlor, for kitchen though. Even for bedroom, say me and the bath. Now me.
Jesus.
I said it. I said that these children do not resemble my son. That they resemble Titus.
Person wey talk say you know Sabitu. Now she dey here now. She thought say she marry you because you get money. Now she come meet me say my dey service am. I come dey service am. Na part of the work.
That is why she snuck out of the house that night and entered the Gateman's house and slept with you for over 30 minutes, moaning and saying, oh, tie, I'm enjoying the rotten smell, the sweaty smell from your body. That was what she was saying.
Mommy?
Yes, Nwa.
You knew? my goodness.
Please forgive me. You know,
Jesus!
please, Jesus wasn't there. I was the one that saw them.
Please forgive me. I don't know what came over me. I was not like this before.
I see. I even tried to tell you. In short, I remember when I tried to tell you, when I tried to talk, you wouldn't listen. And then you, Nancy, I confronted you, same guinea.
There's a question I've been meaning to ask you. Okay, what is it? Are you cheating on my son? Oh my God. What sort of rhetorical question is that? Well, it's obvious that you're sleeping with your Gateman. What are you even saying? What is the problem? Is my son sterile? Impotent? I mean, is that why you decided to allow the Gateman father your children? Mommy, please. Please. I am not sleeping with my Gateman. In fact, I love my husband. I can't even hurt him. Please, stop. What's this? What do you know about love? Love doesn't hurt. Love doesn't ask questions. Yet you have the guts to sleep with your husband's Gateman for him to father the 2 children you have. It's obvious that those children don't belong to my son. No resemblance. Not physically, not in any way. Mommy, I take it that you've just come here to insult me. But it's fine, you're my husband's mother and I can just let it slide. You know, this is... Then again, I am not sleeping with my Gateman. I haven't slept with my Gateman. And your son, Mama Michael is the father of my children. Full stop. This is actually between you and I. And I will ask you for the last time. Are you sleeping with the Gateman? I am not sleeping with the Gateman.
Oh my goodness! I am finished. I am totally finished.
Please don't.
Oh my goodness! Leave me alone! Get your filthy hands off my foot! Mommy, so you knew? Mommy, you knew Nancy, this evil girl, has been cheating in my house with this stupid man and you kept it to yourself?
Now, what would I say? The next thing now, they'll say this wicked mother-in-law has broken up a very happy marriage. I tried directly, indirectly to tell you, but you wouldn't listen. He didn't love. He didn't love.
Can you listen to yourself? Can you listen to yourself? What you did isn't what a reasonable mother should do in situations like this. Tell me. No, tell me. Hi. God of Nazareth, I am finished. Was it what Thompson said? He is coming to share with me. He knew Thompson.
What's going on here? What's going on?
I'm finished. Thomas, I'm finished. They are not my kids. She has been cheating on me.
I told you. When I told you, you were doubting me. Mama, I told him that these kids do not look like him. But he was doubting me. I said everything. I told you this one is a serious cheat.
God.
See, do you know your wife even came to my house to seduce me? Do you know? Am I lying? I have evidence.
I'm finished, oh. I'm finished.
Nancy, where have I gone wrong, Nancy? Where have I gone wrong in your life? I sacrificed everything for your family. I built a house for your family. I sent your brothers abroad and made sure they succeeded. What have I not done for you? Every day I am out there struggling, grinding to make sure you and the kids are alright. All you could do, sleeping with someone gets mad. I will never forgive you. I will. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Allow me to kill you. Thompson, leave me. Leave me, Thompson. Thompson, leave me. Thompson, allow me. Thompson, finish. Imagine I have been training another man's child. I have been training another man's child. Dear God, imagine. I have wasted my years. I have wasted my years. Let them leave now. Look at Lizzie. Look at Lizzie. Man, what's in the closet now? Thompson, allow me. You are evil. God will judge you. God will judge you. God will judge you. You will die.
Love is meant to be true. Love is meant to be real. Don't get it twisted at all. Secret bonds and rendezvous brings nothing but false pleasure. Don't open your heart to deception. Don't give way to lies and deceit. Don't open your heart to strangers unknown. They bring nothing but pain.
Mama, even you. Mama, why did you?
Don't stop the ones you love.
Why did you say that?
At the back. Don't pretend the ones you love behind your back. Some actions might bring so much regret. Think twice before you step. Don't open your home to deception. Don't give way to lies and deceit.
The place is really, really progressing. Thank God.
Yeah. I think Angus is doing a very nice job here.
Yes, he is.
Actually, you know, he was recommended to me by a friend. Yeah. But from the look of things, I think he's someone that knows his onions when it has to do with building of houses.
Yeah.
Honestly.
I think he's good. He's good. Ah, he is. Let me come on.
Be careful, though. Okay.
Let's check the other side.
Okay. Be careful, though, so you don't... Yes. I have to carry you. Don't worry.
Oh, baby, stop now. Baby, be careful. Be careful. Oh, my goodness.
She's a mula.
Baby.
Let's go to the car so you can relax.
Hey. I am finished. No. This marriage is a scam. Marriage is a scam. Marriage is a scam. Hey! I am finished. I have been training Titus' children without knowing. Hey, so all these years I've wasted just training another man's child and living with a wicked woman under the same roof. I am finished. I am finished. I am finished.
Mike, are you okay?
Mommy, leave my room. Leave my room and stop knocking on my door. Stop knocking on my door, Mommy. You are an accomplice. You are an accomplice. Leave my room. In my room. I will drink myself to death. Your son is going to die. I myself. Hey, Jesus. I'm finished. Hey, I want him. I want more. I want my heart. Hey, BP.
So listen to me, alright? I just want to know if you're okay. Please, just open the door, please. Are you okay?
Love is meant to be true. Love is meant to be real. Don't get it twisted at all. Oh, secret bonds and rendezvous brings nothing but false pleasure. Don't open your home.
They should just make DNA free. They should make it free, also. For people who can afford it, they should make it free so that the common man can know the paternity of their children. No one here, these women, they have killed us. Hey!
Don't stop the
Mama
ones
said,
you
also,
love.
come and kill me. Heart failure, kill me.
Pretend the ones you love behind your back.
Hey!
Some might bring so much regret. Think twice before you step. Don't open your home to deception. Don't give way to lies and deceit. Don't open your home to strangers you know. They bring nothing but pain. Don't open your home to deception. Don't give way to lies.
Charity. Thank you for all you're doing for my son.
Mommy, you're welcome. I have to do what I have to do just for my boss to come back to his feet.
So angry with Nancy, what she did to my son. Honestly, that woman is cursed. It will not be well with her.
Oh, please, it's okay. Stop cursing her.
Do you know what my son is going through because of her? He's been locked up there for days without eating. Do you know what he's going through?
I understand, Mommy. And when I'm done with my cooking, I will go upstairs, persuade him to come down and eat.
You think you can do that magic?
I will try my best.
I'll appreciate that.
You know, for me, he's just traumatized. Yes, and anyone in his shoes will feel the same. He'll be fine.
Well, I hope so. Thank you.
You're welcome, Mom. Please, just don't think about it.
I'll try not to. Thank you.
So, Mommy, don't worry. If you want anything, call me. I'm here for you.
I'll remember that.
But come to think of it, what is wrong with some women these days? How will God give you a very good man, nice man like my boss, and you won't cherish him? Why? Well, there's always a say. When you don't cherish what you have, you will lose it. My gender.
Euphemia.
Nancy, what are you doing here?
Michael threw the kids and I out of the house. We had no place else to go to. Here we are, at your building site, because I didn't know what else to do.
Where are the children?
They're inside. Kids!
Yes, Mom.
Your aunt is here.
Good day, Auntie. My darling.
Good day, Auntie.
How are you?
We are fine. Okay. We are not fine. I want to go back to my father's house so that I would eat good food and not live with this poor man.
Yes, Auntie, we want to go back to our father. We don't want to stay with Titus anymore. Auntie, we have not eaten. Please help us.
Kids, you know what? Just go in.
Yes.
Let me talk with your auntie.
Yes, everything will be fine, children. Okay. I'll talk to your mommy.
Don't worry. Let me speak with auntie. Okay. Mommy is coming. Euphemia, please. You have to talk to your husband. Please beg your husband for me. Zoe, both of you can go and talk to Michael, please. Please, Euphemia.
Nancy, I'm sorry, but I cannot allow my husband go through such ridicule. I can't.
But that's why you're my friend. You can do anything for a friend, right? We've been friends. Euphemia, please.
Nancy, you amaze me with your utterances. You should have thought about that when you opened your leg for that poor Gateman. Just look at what you're putting the innocent children into.
Well, he was the work of the devil.
What? The devil? Nancy, you are the devil. Yes, you are.
Why are you calling me a devil?
Why won't I? Why won't I? Michael is a human being too.
And I'm your
sure,
friend.
yes, he's a human being. I'm sure he's passing through hell right now. I want you. I didn't want to keep sounding, but I want you over and over again. Just look at the children.
Euphemia, please. My children are suffering. Please help me. Please help us.
It's okay.
I'll just talk to Michael on our behalf.
Just.
Sir, can you hear me? Your food is served. Please come downstairs and eat. Sir, please, you need to come downstairs and eat. Please. Sir, please now, come downstairs and eat. Mom is worried. Please. And we miss you so much in the office. Sir, I know it's difficult for you, but try. Please.
He still hasn't opened the door.
Yes, ma'am. As usual, he doesn't want to open the door.
Michael, listen, it's your mother. You need to come and eat. Charity here has been wonderful. She comes in every day, does all the chores, brings food for you, and yet you refuse to eat. It's not fair.
Sir, Mom, It's fine. It's fine. You don't have to stress yourself because of your BP. Hmm? You'll be fine. I don't know what to do. Sir, please, when you are ready, calm down.
Michael, what's going on? I mean, this is not a vibe. This is not a vibe. What's happening? This is not you. It's been one whole year your wife left you and you're letting this thing get to you too much. You need to get a hold of yourself and move on with your life. What's going on, bro?
Thompson, just let me be. Thompson, just let me be, alright? Just let me be.
Michael, I won't let you be. It's been 1 year already. 1 whole year. Enough for you to pick yourself up and move on with your life. Yes, I understand your wife left you with your kids, but I mean your Gateman's kids, but you shouldn't let it get to you like this. Come on, bro.
1 year is enough. It's so easy for you. Do you know what I went through? Do you know what I'm still going through? Listen, marriage is the least in my mind right now. Right? Bikono, please.
Michael, I know you can still give love a chance.
Never.
I mean, there are so many beautiful girls in town. You can just pick anyone. I even heard Mama brought a woman for you and you rejected her.
Why wouldn't I reject her? Why wouldn't I reject her, Thompson? And I'm arrange. When I'm ready for marriage or love, I'll go all out there and get a woman for myself. Alright?
Michael, why not consider this girl Mama brought for you? Because if you go out there, you might end up getting another Delilah. Like
the Delilah you're suggesting for me. Because they've sent you. This advice now is for me to go and get into another Delilah. I'm not ready for that woman, I beg.
Bro, you can't continue like this. You can't. You need to get a hold of yourself and move on. Look, Obianuju is a nice, she's okay.
You can go and marry her as a second wife now. Eh? I mean, you don't want to date, you can do that. But for now, please, Biko, Thompson, I beg you. Biko, please. Well on everything suggesting getting married and getting involved in love. Silent on Biko. Biko, please. What is good about this afternoon? You had a mind to greet me. Are you out of your mind?
I'm still working now. I see my former I come greet them. I do bad thing.
I was told you tried to rape my wife.
Okay, me. I go back to my young tongue with him. Okay, no be me. I mean, try to rape your wife. Your wife raped me.
Are you out of your mind? Okay. I'm talking. You are accusing. Are you okay?
Okay, I'm talking. I'm what thing I do now? Okay. Now your wife tried to rape me. He carry knife. Come for inside my kid house. Come they threaten me. Say he go stab me. If I see your eyes fire, come and say he go stab me. If I know do he come force me. I know go right for you now, okay? She said she marry you because of your money. Say you know sabi do. Say she marry you because of your money. Me I know go right for you now.
Mikey, I told you, right? I told you Nancy is a harlot, but you kept on doubting me. Can you hear him talk? Are you still doubting me? Isn't it obvious already?
God knows you be good person. I don't go die for your head now. Because of say me, I be born again Christian. I can't come out around. I even don't leave my salary for now. I say me kuna carry and chop. Okay, I don't go die for you. See, she get mark for here like this. Get mark for here. I'm gonna die for you. She no go deny this thing when I dey talk so like this. Baba Sikenyong, I'm here from Friday Bob, Sunday Bantang. She no go deny him.
You saw that mark?
Yes, now. Whoa, the mark dey here like this for this right.
Michael, Nancy is a common harlot. You need to start accepting the truth. Why is it so difficult for you to accept?
See, I no go do you bad thing now. I'm kind of very good, a very good man. Thank you, sir. God bless you. Look, I watch the motor now.
Thompson, can we please leave this place?
Okay, when I won't carry my, make I wash the car now. When I won't carry my money go. Okay. Hey, pass me back. Okay, make.
Nancy claimed if Fiong tried to rape her. Now what Fiong is saying a different thing altogether. Nancy is a good radiance to bad rubbish.
Sir, are you okay?
Charity, I'm alright, I'm fine.
I don't think you're fine. I mean, few moments ago you left with your friend for lunch happy. But now you are not.
I will be fine.
Do you need coffee or tea? You're fine. Okay, if you say so. Well, this is the file, sir.
Drop it there.
Okay, sir. Bye. Okay. What is happening here? Pardon? Is today my boss's birthday? No. No. Sir, I want to know what is happening here because I'm sure today is not my boss's birthday.
Well, I don't know. Probably you will find out soon.
I'll find out soon. And you called me earlier. Today is not my work day.
It is not my birthday. We could make it a memorable day for both of us.
Good day, sir.
Charity, You've been a wonderful being. I have never seen a virtuous woman like you. Please, be my wife.
Sir, please stand up. You can't just kneel down, please.
Charity, please be my wife.
Come on, say yes.
Made it. Thank you so much. Thank you for accepting me.
Congratulations.
Now, one day is going to be right now.
Beautiful.
Congratulations. Thank you. Thank you. You don't say they talk say. Waiting you they find for Sokoto. They for Sokoto. They find out okay, no they no can.
Congrats, my friend. Congrats.
A wonderful being. I've never seen a virtuous woman like you before. And I'm glad you've accepted to make me complete. Thank you so much.
Finally.
Don't get it twisted at all. Oh, secret bonds and rendezvous brings nothing but false pleasures. Don't open your home to deception. Don't give way to lies and deceit. Don't open your home to strangers unknown. They bring nothing but pain. Don't stop the ones you love at the back. Don't prepare the ones you love behind.